Namaste. Welcome to class 2. It's me, Biswas Krong, as your science teacher. Okay, in our previous class, we have read about animals around us with their habitats and their uses. Now, in today's class, we are going to learn about plants around us. Plant around us. So before learning this chapter, the objectives of the main lesson, this lesson, the students will be able to define or know about the different types of plant around us. Okay. So another is classify plant found around them, that is whether that is herb, shrub or trees. Okay. And you can be able to explain the different function of plants parts, that is root, stem, leaves, etc. etc. These are the objectives of today's class. Okay, let's start about the plant around us. Okay, so we see various types of plant in our environment, like we see people, we see bean, banana, mango, lotus, cactus. Lots of plants are available in our environment. Okay, plant around us. This is our today's main topic. Okay, so there are different plants around us. Okay, some are very big and some are very small. Understood? Some are very big and some are small. Some plants live for several years and some plants live for some season only. Okay, some plants can live for many years. Okay, some plants can live only few season or few months. Okay, and some plants grow on land as well as some plants grow on water. Okay, so plants. Okay, there are various types of plants. Basically, plants are divided into two main groups, that is flowering plant and non-flowering plant. Non-flowering plant. Okay, flowering plant means those plants which bear flower. Okay, which bear flower. And non-flowering plant means which do not bear flower. Understood? So there are lots of flowering plants around us. We can see marigold, rose, lotus, etc. and etc. Non-flowering plants means which do not bear flower, such as moss, okay, and mushroom, okay, fern. These are some example of flowering, non-flowering plants. Okay, so let's talk about the different types of plants according to their lifespan. Okay, according to the lifespan or their nature, plants are categorized into three main groups, that is herbs, shrubs and trees. Okay, let's talk about herbs. Okay, so what are herbs? Now understand, herbs means what? Okay, herbs are small plant. Okay, herbs are small plant. They have soft and weak stem. Okay, herbs को चाहिँ के हुन्छ? Stem हरु एकदम soft हुन्छ. Okay, with the wind, okay, herbs will be what? They will be fallen down. Okay, so some herbs live only for few seasons or for a month. Okay, their lifespan is very short as compared to trees. Okay, herbs usually grow in season only. Okay, one herbs grow in season only, like animals found in season, that herbs grow in season only. Understood? So the example of herbs are maize, mint, sunflower and mustard are some example of herbs. Okay, so write down the definition of herbs. Herbs are those plants which have soft and weak stem. Okay, herbs are those plants which have soft and weak stem. Okay, so let's learn about the sobs now. Okay, basically sobs are known as the medium plant. Okay, sobs are smaller than tree and bigger than hops. Okay, so many sobs grow what? Together. Okay, many sobs grow together, and therefore they are bushy in nature. Right? All sobs means they are grow together, which look like a bushy plant. Okay, so they have thin and strong stem. They have thin and with what? Strong stem. They have thin and strong stem. For example, hops ko example ke ho मैले भने थाहा छ विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु? Yes, I have told that maize, mint, sunflower, mustard. Write down. Maize, mint, sunflower, mustard are the some example of hops. Okay, they are very small in size. Likewise, sobs, they have thin and strong stem. They have what? Thin. एकदम पातलो हुन्छ. So stems are very strong as compared to the hops. Okay. Do you know what is sobs now? Can you please give me some example of sobs? Sobs को के example भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Okay. So rose. Okay, rose for example. Rose, lotus, and cactus are the some example of sobs. Okay, so they live for some years, but hops can live only for few months. Okay, they can live for a month. Okay, the lifespan of the hops is very short. Understood? They can live only for a month. Okay, but sobs can live. They can live for a season. Okay, they can live for a season or some years as well. Okay, season or years. Let's write years, okay? Some years, okay? केही वर्षहरुसम्म बाँच्न सक्छन् sobs. Some example of sobs are rose, lotus, and cactus. Okay, let's talk about now trees. What are trees? We daily see a lot of trees around us. हाम्रो घर वरिपरि विभिन्न प्रकारका रुखहरू हामीले देख्दै आएका छौं र tree are very what? Trees are very tall in size. So I'll omit hops and sobs here. Okay, so let's learn about trees. So basically trees are very tall and strong. Okay, basically trees are very tall and strong plant. Trees are very tall and strong plant. Okay, trees are very strong, okay, very tall and strong plant, which means that they have lots of branches. Have you ever seen any kinds of trees around you? Of course, we have seen lots of trees around us. For example, we can see mango tree, banyan tree. We have seen people. Yes. So these are the some example of trees. Okay. So these all hops, sobs, and trees give us what? Oxygen. Okay. They are very useful to us. Okay. So the lower hard. Have you ever seen the trees? Okay. Just I would like to draw some trees here. There are lots of branches, okay, over here. This is just example, okay, this is a figure. So this very hard, okay, they have very hard trunk. Hard is similar to one, so trunk on, okay. These are lots of branches, okay. And tree can live for many years, okay. Tree can live for many years. The hard stem, trunk like here, hard stem is known as trunk. The hard stem is known as what? Trunk. Okay. So tree can live for many years. Okay. They can live for many years. Okay. There are lots of advantages of herbs, sobs and trees. Okay. We take medicine from the herbs. Okay. Herbs are regarded as a medicinal plant. Okay. Medicinal herbs. Okay. So they are very beneficial for us as well. And from tree we can get lots of beneficial things. For example, we can get lots of fruits from the trees. From tree we can get the firewood so that the villages or villagers can run their livelihood, okay, and they can cook the food. Most of our village area totally based on the firewood because due to the lack of transportation facilities, the people cannot cook on the today's modern gas or modern stove chulos. Okay, so let's talk about the another topic, that is climbers and creepers. So what are climbers and what are creepers? I hope the students you have learned the climbers and creepers in your class 1. Climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers. Do you know what are climbers? Climbers भनेको के हो हजुरलाई थाहा छ? Do you know? Okay. These plants need support to climb up. Okay. These plants, okay, climbers are those plants who need support to stand. Okay. They need some support. They need some kinds of strong very support, such as like we can put here bamboo. Okay. We can put there strong iron, metals. Okay. So those plants which need support to stand. Those plants whose need support to stand. Okay, those plants which need support to stand, they are called what? They are called climbers. Stand or climb up. You can, instead of stand, you can write support to climb up. Okay, माथि चढ्नको लागि they need some support. Okay, that's why these plants are categorized into climbers. Okay, so what are creepers now? Creepers. Okay, what are creepers? For example, we need support if our leg is injured. यदि हाम्रो खुट्टा injured छ भने we need support to stand. Yes, we need support to stand. Likewise, plant also need some support to stand or climb. Okay, that's why these types of plant are called climbers. So let's talk about the creepers. Okay, climbers are those plants who climb up. माथि हिँड्छ भने creepers means they basically grow towards the ground. Okay, so creepers have soft and weak stem. Okay, creepers have soft and weak stem. Okay, they both have weak stem. That's why they need support. Understood? That's why they need what? Support. And they have soft and weak stem and can't stand up. Can't stand up like trees. Okay, trees just to stand up हुन सक्दैन. They can't stand because they have what? They have soft and weak stem. Okay, so that's why they are categorized into creepers and they are categorized into climbers. Okay, they basically creep on the ground. They creep on the ground. Okay, now you can give some example of climbers and creepers. Some example of climbers and creepers are, any guesses from you? Okay. Pumpkin. Have you ever seen pumpkin? Pumpkin are the creepers. Okay. Likewise, sweet potato. Any example others? Do you know? Okay. These etc. These are the some example of creepers. Okay. They need what? Support to stand. That's why they are categorized into the creepers. So, climbers and creepers are the plants which are very weak stem and soft stem, which needs support. Okay. So let's move on to another topic, that is parts of plants. Okay. Parts of plant. Parts of plant. Okay. Basically, plant have root, stem, leaves, fruits, and flower. These are the 5 main parts of plant. Okay. So we will discuss this term in our next class. So before leaving, I would like to give you some homeworks. Please note it down. What is hops? Give any 2 example of it. Okay. What is hops? Give any 2 example of it. Next question is, what are creepers? Creepers and climbers. Understood? Another topic is, what is trunk? What is trunk? Okay, these are the some important question and these are the some homeworks for you. I hope you will done it seriously and sincerely. For today, this much for today's class. Thank you. We will meet in next class. Thank you. Goodbye.